Welcome back. Last time we learned what is the machine learning. Today we answer the most important question: how we do actually without becoming the maths genius? The answer is the amazing tool is called as Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn or sklearn is a secret weapon for machine learning in Python. Here, what makes it so powerful? It's a pre-built tool with of every ML algorithm you ever need, like linear regression, decision tree, neural network. More than that, it gives you all the helper tools, way to split your data, accuracy measurement, clean up the data sets, everything you need. You don't write an algorithm from the scratch. Instead, the coding of 100 lines of complex maths you write in the 3 line using the sklearn. Now, I know that what you are thinking right now. But what about the mathematics? Here is the truth. To use the scikit-learn efficiently, you don't need advanced mathematics, but to understand what is the happening behind the scene, which kind of mathematics is applying behind the algorithm. So this is the thing you should remember. You should always remember that for every ML algorithm, you should know which kind of mathematics is actually happening behind the scene. Let's break it down into what actually matters. Basic statistic like mean, median, mode, linear algebra, vectors, matrices, calculus. This is the thing you should know before start of machine learning in the sklearn. If you like this video and if you get some information about sklearn, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so it will give me a motivation to make a more video like this. Thank you so much for watching my videos.